Looking to capture a fleeting moment and excited to share it with the world? Here's how you can upload it as a YouTube short. First, ensure that you have the YouTube app downloaded on your device. If not, don't worry, it's available on both iOS and Android app stores for free. Once you have the app installed and open, look at the bottom of the screen. There, you'll see a plus icon. This is your gateway to creating a YouTube short. Tap it and a menu will pop up. From the options, select Create a Short. Now that you've got this far, it's time to record your video or select one from your existing gallery. Remember, the best shorts are authentic and tell a story. So choose or record that reflects your unique personality and perspective. Got your video ready? Wonderful. Now you're ready to edit. YouTube provides you with a plethora of editing tools to perfect your short. You can trim the video to highlight the best parts, add music for rhythm and mood, or even overlay text to provide context or add humor. Once your video is edited to perfection, hit Next. This prompts you to add a catchy title and description. These are vital. They're the first thing viewers see and can determine whether people click on your video or scroll past. Choose your words wisely to capture attention and intrigue. Then, you have to choose your video's visibility settings. How public do you want your short to be? You can choose from public, unlisted, or private. Each has its own benefits, so consider what's right for content. The final step then, is to press Upload, and just like magic, you're done. Get ready to go viral with your YouTube short. Don't forget to engage with your viewers, share your content widely, and follow us for more expert tips.